What's up guys, it's Fod FPV here, and today we're going to do a breakdown of my drone crash from the last week's drift event. So let's hit it. Okay, jumping right into it. So currently I'm chasing this Corvette. I'm just having fun, trying to warm up my props, if you will. And you can definitely tell I'm not as fast as him. I'm definitely trying to catch up. I do need to get 6S. Eventually I will, but you know how it is being FPV pilots. You know, you buy it when you can. Coming here through the smoke, and he's just whipping it, going kind of crazy. Honestly, I didn't even know how to even chase him at that point, just whipping it side to side. I really need to practice more, probably more sim time. Okay, so we're going up to the starting line. This is kind of like a known rule, right? You can wait here and see your next car come through, and cool, target acquired. And this is when everything starts to kind of get all weird. And this is the moment where I was like, oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, it's getting closer. Oh, that's a potato. And stop right here. I'm shitting my pants. I was like, oh my goodness, what is going on? Bam, broke a prop. He broke a prop. So I still got to get footage, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. Turns out this guy just spun out. I was like, all right, whatever. I'm gonna just go and make sure everything's good. So I'm just doing simple maneuvers here, making sure the quad feels all right, and seeing if there is anything wrong. So, you know, just chasing like a random car right there. So then my buddy Master of None FPV is also at this event. He tells me, here, just come bring it in, we'll check it out, make sure everything's all right on your quad. Turns out the guy just broke a prop, and I asked if everything was okay. We went through the flight footage, and everything was good. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I will be posting more and more videos. I just need help from you guys to see what you guys want. And I will do my best. I am new to this. If you have any suggestions or comments, please put them down in the comment section, and I will read every single one. I appreciate y'all. Have a great day. I'm Fod FPV. Out.